Yo, what is up guys, it's Josh. Welcome to week 9 of Stocks and NFTs here on the Mcubed channel, movies, money, marijuana. But before we start, a short disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I claim to be one. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. That being said, these are my opinions, so feel free to disagree in the comments down below and let me know what you think. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about active versus passive investing, and also about a new collaboration between Funko Pop and the Wax blockchain. So let's get right into this video. So what does it actually mean to invest actively and passively? Active investing requires a hands-on approach, typically by a portfolio manager or another so-called active participant, while passive investing involves less buying and selling and often results in investors buying index funds or other mutual funds. And although both styles of investing are beneficial, passive investments have gathered more investment flows than active investments. Historically, passive investments have earned more money than active investments, although active investing has become more popular than it has been in several years, particularly during market bull runs. So depending on who you ask, it might differ, but here are the main characteristics for these two strategies. An active investing strategy is an approach that involves monitoring the price of your positions to find buying and selling opportunities. Positions are selected based on research or analysis. The goal of the investor and his portfolio is to outperform some type of benchmark. A benchmark can be an index or a mix of indices that offer some gauge of how the overall stock market or part of the market has performed. The amount an investor outperforms their benchmark is referred to as alpha return. So active investors aim to achieve alpha when they invest. Passive investing, on the other hand, doesn't focus on short-term fluctuations in a stock price. Investors instead buy positions as soon as they have the buying power to do so, or when they decide they want to add more to their positions. Passive investing also involves little to no research or analysis of individual companies. Instead, investors focus on spreading their money across a large number of stocks or diversifying to have a well-rounded position in the stock market as a whole. There are many strategies for passive investing, but one of the most popular and common among many beginners and veterans is index investing. Index investing simply means buying index funds or ETFs that give the investor a broad exposure to the performance of the stock market, allowing them to mimic the market over a long period of time. The most common indices that are tracked are the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones Industrial Average. One reason why passive investing may seem like a better fit to some people is that index investing is usually very cost effective in comparison to active investing. Since funds don't have to be actively managed, and the goal of passive investing is to simply match the market in the long haul. So these are the two characteristics that differ between active and passive investing. One focuses on analysis and valuations while trying to achieve alpha, while the other focuses on long-term exposure and diversification. I hope that was easy and simple to understand. That's it for stocks today. Let's move on to the NFT portion of this video and talk about the collaboration between Funko Pop and the Wax blockchain. And if you're not familiar with Funko Pops, maybe you don't collect them, but I'm sure you've heard of them or seen them before. They're these little vinyl characters that are licensed collectibles from just about all of the pop culture franchises. Funko Pops actually announced this announcement quite a long time ago that they would be dropping a collaboration with the Wax blockchain, and it's finally here. Their first collaboration is with Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, which is a franchise that has been here since the late 80s. This drop will happen on August 3rd at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we'll be able to grab some limited edition packs. Here's the collection we have. We have 6 different rarities: common, uncommon, rare, epic, legendary, and grail. Now, while the common card will have a basic animation in the background, the uncommon, the rare, and the epic will have animated characters. But the special thing about the legendary and the grail NFTs is that it will actually have redemption codes that will allow you to actually have matching exclusive physical Funko Pops. Now, they're extremely rare to come by, and they only have a 1.63 drop rate for the legendary and a 0.37 drop rate for the grail NFTs. As you can see, the drop will have two packs to choose from. They have the standard pack and the premium pack that will go for $9.99 and $29.99 respectively, which is pretty standard for a wax drop. One other thing for this release is that they will require a credit card to purchase. These packs won't be selling in wax or in crypto. However, they will be doing a stress test the day before on August 2nd at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where you'll be able to grab a free promotional pack. But seeing as these episodes drop on Monday, they probably already dropped earlier today, but you can still grab the official release packs when they drop on August 3rd. And some important information that isn't listed on the main site or on the main page. I'll list the blog where I found this information down below, but it states that all transactions will be capped at $300, but you'll be able to make multiple purchases during the drop. Another thing to keep in mind is that when it comes to the physical redemption, the physical redemption will have a coin that will be deposited into your wax account wallet after 120 days of the initial sale. And that's not including the time for you to actually redeem and receive your Funko Pop. The other thing stated in this article is that you only have 30 days to redeem your pop. If not, the coin will be burned and will no longer appear in your wallet. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We talked about active versus passive investing and the latest NFT drop from Funko Pop and the Wax blockchain. I know this is probably going to be one of the biggest drops yet. I know Funko Pop collectors go crazy for these things. So let me know down in the comments below if you were able to get any of the packs for yourselves. And that's it for this video. Please stay tuned in for more content here on the Mcubed channel.